Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is a new type of video. We're super excited because we partner with Horizn Studios. They have amazing luggage and they send us these ones that we're gonna unbox for you today.
We will for sure put them in good use because we are gonna be traveling a lot this year.
We have a promo code Yani Fabio 15 for a 15% off.
Don't get it twisted.
Next year.
It's not 50, it's 15. Without further ado,
let's get right into it.
I'm so excited!
I am actually curious because no wait, I wanna open this little
Oh yes! So these boxes arrived today. Obviously, these are the two luggage.
However, we got also an extra box, which I have no idea what's in this one. If it's a welcome package,
I don't know. Should we just open that first?
Oh my god, I'm so excited. Are you ready? Girl,
what is it? Pull it out. Oh my god!
What is it?
So like pouches.
oh my god, pouches! I love.
Oh, there's another inside. Oh, so this is all the essentials.
So
Oh my god, it's like high quality. Look at this.
it's awesome.
Detailing.
Transparent. It's perfect because you see exactly what it's inside. I love transparent things when it comes to toiletry because I want to see right away what I have in there. Beautiful. And I love this one actually. It's perfect even for flip-flops if you want to use
Exactly.
it. But now let's
On to the exciting part.
I know.
Wow! You packaged perfectly. It's in the pouch. Wow.
Wow.
I always like to smell brand new things.
Does it smell new?
Oh my god, you know what it smells like to me? Those children books. The brand new children books. You guys probably noticed already how light it is.
It's literally
Like it's so light.
I picked a different color, which is marine green.
Wow! Oh my
Wow.
gosh!
Here we go.
Oh my god,
Ooh.
it's so beautiful.
Is it?
We opted out for the cabin sizes. This is literally the smallest suitcase available on their website. They also have medium sizes cabin. They also have check-ins. And the biggest one.
Oh my
is
gosh,
like-
it's like 60 liters capacity. And
Yes.
also they have backpacks. I am in love. It's exactly what I saw on the website.
Oh, let's unbox yours first because it's the most
do it this
exciting.
way.
That's
Guys,
actually-
this is like high quality. Here we're not playing.
You guys, I hate the color green, but this is beautiful green. Wow.
Wow.
All right, should we check out what's inside? I can't wait.
We should actually, can we just talk about this front? Look what you can do in the front pocket. So, this is so perfect for laptop, passport, everything you need right away. Like there are so many pockets inside.
Front pocket fits your 15-inch MacBook Pro, but I think it could fit even larger laptops because it looks
I think
very
so.
spacious.
Oh my god, we have no idea how to unlock this. It's locked
How do we unlock
and we don't know how
this?
to unlock it.
Somewhere, maybe it's in the pocket.
Oh my god, there's a charger in here.
Yes, I knew that actually. I was gonna say, oh, yours is the smart one. Mine don't have the charger.
Right, because we got two different types.
Yeah.
Is that back here?
In the back,
You have the USB chargers.
USB charger.
But how do we open it though?
I think the key is in here. It has to be,
Oh,
otherwise.
here. You just do this.
Okay, should we open it?
Let's open it.
Wow. So both sides have the net. Yours is different. Yours is different, babe.
I even have this.
What is that
I
for?
have no idea. I really have no idea.
What is that for?
But I'm happy about it. This looks like something can come out.
Oh, it does come off.
Oh!
A laptop?
Oh my god, there's more and more pouches. Okay.
Is what's in here?
Oh, I have the charger.
Oh, the wires.
The wires.
Why do I have chargers too? Why do I have chargers?
No, that's the tag. That's the tag for the luggage.
Ah, it comes with a tag. Oh my god, look how nice. We can trip. Oh, what's
We can
this?
There's a pouch in
There's
here.
another pouch.
No. No,
Ah,
another
for dirty clothes.
dirty clothes.
Ah, do I have that? I don't have that pouch, Bunny.
I think the one that I got is the
It's a
version
smart
that is a
one.
little bit more expensive.
Prices ranges from 190 euros to 200 to 300 for this type of luggages. Obviously, the bigger luggages are more expensive, so your choice.
By the way, guys, they have a lot of colors to choose from. We're gonna take you with us obviously in our next trip. We'll tell you how it performs on the road because
obviously, because we don't know if they just look beautiful and on the road or one wheel will get off. He told us like, we want your honest review. If you want it, you want it. If you hate it, say you hate it. All right, thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you again to Horizn Studios for sending us this luggage.
thank you again for watching. See you on the road.